Myself Anushka Deepak Phule. I am student of Acharya Academy and currently studying in class 10th. Today I am going to explain you topic cell. So I will start now. As you all know, cell is a structural and functional unit of life, right? It is called a structural unit because it provides structure to our body, and it is called functional unit of life because all functions of body takes place at cell level. Uh, can anyone tell me when was cell discovered?
1665.
65.
1665.
And who discovered it?
Robert Hooke.
Robert Hooke.
Robert Hooke.
Yes, you are right. Cell was discovered in 1665 by Robert Hooke. And who discovered the nucleus?
Robert Brown.
Robert Brown.
In
Robert
year?
Brown.
In which year?
1831.
Yes. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in 1831. As you all know, cell theory states that all living organisms are composed of cell. Now, can anyone tell me the is screen visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So, which cell am I showing you right now? Can anyone tell me? Hello? Can anyone tell me? Yes,
Animal.
Animal cell.
it's animal cell. Now I will show you each and every component of animal cell. Is everyone able to see my cursor?
Yes.
Yes.
So this part which I am showing, this is the
Nucleus.
nucleus. And this yellow part which is in the center,
Nucleolus.
Nucleolus.
yes, it is a nucleolus. And this yellowish part which is surrounding the nucleus, it is
Golgi apparatus.
no,
Endoplasmic
Endoplasmic
reticulum.
reticulum.
Endoplasmic
it's
reticulum.
endoplasmic reticulum. And this part, this one, which is this?
Golgi apparatus.
Golgi apparatus.
Yes, it's Golgi apparatus. This one you might not be knowing by its structure. It's a lysosome. Can anyone
Yes.
tell me what is the function of lysosome or what is it called?
Digester of cell.
One by one, please.
Suicidal bags.
Yes. Why it is called a suicidal bag?
It digests
It digests
cell.
over
It
cell.
digests whole cell.
Yes, you are right. And this part, which is this part?
Mitochondria.
Yeah.
Powerhouse of cell.
Yes, it is called a powerhouse of cell. Uh, and this part, blue part, this one.
Cell
Cell membrane.
membrane.
Wall.
No, it is called a cell wall. Animal cell doesn't has cell membrane. It has a cell wall. A plant cell has a cell membrane as well as cell wall. Okay, now this jelly-like structure which you are able to see, what is this?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Yes. Now you will help me labeling it, and when I am labeling it, you will tell some of the functions, or I'll tell some of the functions of that part. Okay. Let's start. This one.
Nucleus.
Yes. What is the function of nucleus?
Controls all the activities of the cell.
Yes. So I'll add somewhat points to that. Nucleus is spherical in shape. Commonly, it is present in the center of the cell. It is also called brain of the cell because it gives commands to whole cell to function properly. It contains chromosomes, which is thread-like structure. Can anyone tell me what is chromosome? Yes.
Genetic material.
Yes. Chromosome is a genetic material. It helps to transfer characters from parents to the offsprings. Next part, this one.
Nucleolus.
Nucleolus. Nucleolus.
Nucleolus.
Can anyone tell me function of nucleolus?
Protein synthesis.
Yes, it synthesis proteins. Now next part.
Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum.
Yes, function of endoplasmic reticulum.
Protein and lipid synthesis.
Yes, and some more points.
The help in transport of materials.
Yes, you are right. Now see, endoplasmic reticulum transports various substances throughout the cell. Okay, now we will see next part. This one.
Golgi apparatus.
Golgi apparatus.
Function.
Modification and packaging of substances.
Yes. Do you know Golgi apparatus is also called post office. It also transports various substances to the to whole cell. Okay, now we will see another one. This one.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Its function.
Powerhouse of cell.
Of ATP.
Yes. Mitochondria produces ATP, which is energy currency of a cell.
Adenosine triphosphate.
So it is called powerhouse of cell. Okay. Next part. This one.
Lysosomes.
Yes, it is
Suicidal bags.
Cell bags of cell.
Yes. Lysosomes protect the cell by engulfing foreign bodies entering the cell. It is also called suicidal bag. Next part. This one.
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Yes. Function of cytoplasm.
Contains the suspended organelles.
Yes, cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance and it holds all the organelles present in the cell. And now next one. This one. Yes.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Cell wall. Cell wall. So can anyone tell me function of cell wall?
Protects from surround.
Yes, cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin.
Pectin.
It is rigid and stiff structure surrounding the cell membrane. Okay, but here cell membrane is absent. So this case is for plant cell, not for animal cell. So here cell wall just protects the cell, protects the a whole cell. And one more function is there of cell wall. Can anyone tell me?
Prevents other substances from entering.
Yes, from entering the cell. One more thing is remaining. This one.
Nuclear membrane.
Nuclear membrane.
Nuclear membrane.
It's nuclear membrane. Can anyone tell me function of nuclear membrane?
It helps in transport of substances inside and outside of nucleus.
Yes. Nuclear membrane is boundary between nucleus and cell organelles. It doesn't mix the components which are present in the nucleus and outside the nucleus. It doesn't mix it. It acts as a boundary between both of them. So now we will see another cell, which is plant cell. Just a minute, guys. Okay, is plant cell visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Hello, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, same. We will start with labeling directly as we are having. So, what is this?
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Yes, it's a nucleus. So now we will not discuss again and again the same thing, function of nucleus. We will just revise it. Nucleus is a brain of the cell. It provides whole information. It contains chromosomes, which is thread-like structure, which carries genetic material. Now next.
Nucleolus.
Yes. Anyone revise the function of nucleolus? Okay, I'll tell. Nucleolus synthesize ribosomes. Okay, now we will see another part. This one.
Nuclear membrane.
Yes. What is this one? Can anyone tell me?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Yes, it's endoplasmic reticulum. Now next one, this.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Yes, it's mitochondria. And what's this one?
Chloroplast.
Plastid. Can anyone tell me function of chloroplast?
They help in process of photosynthesis.
They are
Yes,
also known as kitchen of the cell.
yes, very good. And what are these one green parts in it?
Chromoplast.
Yes, I guess Rajvardhani told the right answer. It is thylakoids. It is present like a stack-like structure, like when we are keeping one coin on another, or one sack of grains on another. How is it looking? So same structure is present in chloroplast, which is called thylakoids. Now next one. What is this one?
Lysosome.
Lysosomes.
No, it's
Vacuole.
amyloplast. It's amyloplast. Can anyone tell me what is amyloplast? It is a starch grain. Okay. Now next one. This one.
Golgi
Golgi apparatus. What special thing I have told you about Golgi apparatus?
It is known as
Which you
post
all
office
don't know.
of the cell.
Office of the
Post
cell.
office of the cell.
Yes, it is called post office of cell. And what is this, which is present near Golgi apparatus?
Leucoplast.
No, these are Golgi vessels. Golgi vesicles. Now next one. Can you
Vacuole.
see?
Vacuole.
Vacuole.
Very nice. This one is vacuole. Can anyone tell me what is the function of vacuole?
Storage of
Storage
Storage
of
of food.
food.
And is vacuole present in animal cell?
Yes.
But in a small amount.
It is very
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now this one. This one is cytoplasm. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. This one is cytoplasm. And now, this one.
Cell wall.
Cell wall.
So,
Yes, it is called cell wall. And what is this one?
Cell membrane.
cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Yes, it is called a cell membrane. Can anyone tell me what is the function of cell membrane? Hello?
It is selectively permeable.
Yes, cell membrane is selectively permeable. It is also called plasma membrane. It separates outer environment and inner environment of the cell. It also gives shape to the cell. Is all this clear to all of you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yes.
Looking at 3D, we are able to see each and every part of the cell, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. We will conclude here because we are having less time. Thanks a lot.